गुड इवनिंग। कल है 5 जुलाई, फ्राइडे। फ्राइडे मीन्स एंड ऑफ द वीक and lot of action could be possible tomorrow. But before I talk about action, let me talk about something happening day after tomorrow, Saturday. We are privileged to have Mr. Gopi Krishna, who is the managing partner for um, TCP Mutual Funds and Investments. He will be with us online from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, speaking about your financial planning and financial freedom. It's an educational webinar open to everyone. It's exclusively through invitation. I would strongly recommend you to attend the webinar and benefit from his ideas and understand how your money can make money. So we all know how to make money, but what about money making some more money for you? All right. Having said that, let me now shift the action to the market. Give me a second. Let me bring up the trading view charts. Here we are. Where are the trading view charts? Give me a minute. All right, here we are. Okay, let's see what happened today and what could happen tomorrow. क्या बोला था? गैप अप हो सकता है. गैप अप मिला. There was a gap up. We had sensed it. What was the level that we had marked on Nifty? Here it is. 24367. Where did the Nifty open? 24369. अब यार इससे ज्यादा एक्यूरेसी क्या चाहते हो आप? It did try to go up and made a high at 24401. Very, very interesting. Almost 34 points, 33, 34 points above this resistance level, and has closed where? 24302, which means after hitting the target, it has come down and closed at similar place where it had closed yesterday. So yesterday's close was 24286, 286, and today's 302. That's the difference. Slight up move, 0.06%, negligible. Bank Nifty made a new all-time high, just like Nifty, made a new all-time high, 53357, and fell down from there consistently to 52803. 806 was the support. 803 also was the support zone. This is where it has fallen and has retraced back to close at 53103, which is slightly higher than yesterday's close, 53089, which is 0.03% higher than yesterday. So both the indices have by and large closed at the level that was the closing level of Wednesday. Today was the Nifty expiry as well. So this is the state of affairs. Is there any change of trend that you are seeing? Not on the daily charts, for sure. Candles may be red, but the red candles have also followed with up move. Red candle, green candle, red candle, red candle, red candle, but the movement have been upside. Okay, so it's not about the candles, it's about price action. Has the price given any indication of reversal on this candle other than the red candle? If you ignore the red candle, it has made a significantly higher high It has made a significantly higher low and the trend is intact. Where is the challenge? In fact, RSI is also pretty comfortable as well on the daily charts. Where is the challenge? Okay, let's look at after making a good solid up move in the first 1 hour, Nifty kind of struggled and eventually broke the low of the second hour and closed somewhere there. This isn't very comfortable, but not nothing negative, at least on the closing basis. If we understand the trend change, is there any trend change that you can spot here? Let me zoom it up. Is there any trend change? No, it's consolidation. आपको लगेगा कि ये trend change है, but this is apparently consolidation. Let me give you another idea. Do you see a trend line here? I've just drawn this one for you, right? As long as it is above this trend line on closing basis, I don't sense any problem. Okay, this is one aspect. But intraday, okay, let's look at Bank Nifty also. Do you see any change of trend there? It's making higher highs consistently. In fact, last 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, it kept on moving up. Nifty kept on sinking down. Bank Nifty kept on moving up. So one is balancing the other. I'll come to the specific soon. Let's understand what can happen tomorrow now. Possibility, if there is a dip, there's a possibility that it can dip to 24231. This is the level. If this dips here, I would be very happy to buy at this place. I'll be very happy to buy at this place for a possible up move wherever it goes, but for sure it's going to be taking support and bouncing from here at least once. Number one. Number two, let's now move to 15 minutes chart, and this is where the story will become a little clearer for you. In fact, let me go back to 1 hour charts and let me plot it here only. Let me see if I can give you some kind of an idea here. Okay. Let me draw the gap that it had created yesterday morning when it got gap up. I'm not talking about today morning. Today's morning gap was filled. Switch power. We are back. Okay. So this is something that we need to keep in mind. So this is also a possibility. If it falls up to here just in case, there is a support here, right? 24201. So 200 से लेकर के 231 के बीच में, between 200 and 231, there is a decent support. My EM is also coming here, so which is fine. Bank Nifty. Let's do the same thing here. Okay. This is where it is. What can Bank Nifty do? Let's look at very specific. And what can Nifty do? Let's look at specific. If there is a correction, and there's a fair possibility, where could this go? I'm going to go down and move this somewhere here. This is the swing low, and from there it was a non-stop up move. Where has it taken support? 24286. Till where can it give us a dip? 24228, which is exactly similar to 24231. So 24, 220, 230 एक upper band है, and this is 24207. So 24207 to 24231 is a zone where it can find definite support and where I would initiate buys for my future positions. Discount sale. This is where now it will take a heart to get into the positions. But this is where most of the people will be scared because they will see a down move and they'll get scared. Market palat raha hai, to weak ho raha hai, da 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 da. But this is where the support lies, and this is where I would consider initiating calls. Bank Nifty. Let's do the same thing. This is the low it made, and then from here it made a high. Where did it take support? Here, 52871. If this is lost, although this will have to really come down from 089, let's say 53 100 to let's say 871, or more specifically the low of the day 800. It and it may, because Bank Nifty is known to move even 1,000 points in a day these days. So ये 300 पॉइंट क्या होता है? But then there is a support that lies somewhere between this range 52766 to 52652. So these are the immediate support levels. Now more important is what would Nifty be doing? Because by end of the day, intraday, Nifty showed more signs of weakness than Bank Nifty towards the end of the day. Let's look at 30 minutes. And this is where I sense there is a possibility that the market could correct a little bit, but only on intraday basis. This is what my sense is. And I could be wrong, but this is my sense that there is a dip possible, and dip is possible on intraday basis. The reference point for us would be 24, let's say 300, broadly 24 300. It should close above 24 281. If that happens by the end of the day on Friday, all is well. However, if that doesn't happen, then we need to take a look. And I think I will be discussing more specifically in the morning. What is most important for tomorrow is the close of the first hour's candle of Nifty, because that could be a make or break. So it doesn't really matter where Nifty is going and taking bounce from here or here. But after the end of 1 hour, where does the candle end? Does it end on the lower side and threatens to be going down, or it is recovering back and coming back into the neutral zone? That is what matters. Okay, so this is what it is. More we will discuss tomorrow in the 9 o'clock live session. Feel free to join me. The link will be shared on the Telegram channel, as well as you can go directly to Simple Trades on YouTube and join the live session. Okay. All the best and wish you a green day tomorrow. Bye bye.